In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as read. If your inbox is cluttered with bold, unread messages, marking them as read is a quick way to get back to a clean, organized view without deleting anything. This is especially handy for newsletters, notifications, or messages you've already skimmed but still show up as unread. Let's start with the toolbar method, which is simple and easy to see. In your inbox on a computer, look at the list of messages and check the box next to any email you want to mark as read. You can select one or select several at once to save time. Once your emails are checked, go to the top toolbar and click the Mark as Read icon. It usually looks like an open envelope. The moment you click it, those messages should lose their bold styling or unread indicator, confirming they're now marked as read. If you don't see the icon right away, expand your toolbar or hover over the icons to find the one labeled Mark as Read. Another quick approach is to use the right-click menu. Find any email in your message list, right-click on it, and choose Mark as Read from the menu that appears. This is great for one-off messages when you don't want to move your cursor up to the toolbar. You can also right-click on a selection of messages the same way if you've already checked their boxes. If you prefer speed and minimal mouse movement, keyboard shortcuts are your best friend. First, select a message by pressing the X key while your cursor is in the message list. Pressing X toggles the selection on that email. You can tap X on multiple messages to build a batch selection. When you're ready, press Shift+I to mark the selected message or messages as read. If nothing happens, you may need to enable keyboard shortcuts. To do that, open Settings, choose See all settings, and in the General tab, look for the keyboard shortcuts section and turn them on. After that, Shift+I will work as expected. A couple of quick tips as you use these methods. Selecting multiple messages before marking them as read can dramatically speed up inbox cleanup, and keeping an eye on the read indicator helps you confirm the change immediately. Whether you click the toolbar icon, use the right-click menu, or rely on Shift+I, you'll have a tidy, up-to-date inbox in moments.